Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Rockstar Games Launcher if it's not opening or working. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, open up your File Explorer. And then in here, we're going to find this PC, local disk C, and program files. Okay, find Rockstar Games. You're going to want to right click on it and hit on rename. Put an underscore right here, the first line. Okay, underscore Rockstar Games. Tap away. And then here we have it. Double click on it, find Launcher, scroll down all the way down until you find Launcher EXE and Rockstar Service EXE. Okay, right click on both, click on Properties, Compatibility right here, run this program in Compatibility Mode 4 and run this program as an administrator. Hit on Apply, OK. Do the same thing right here, Properties, Compatibility, run this program as administrator as well. Apply, OK. And then once that's done, go ahead and check if it helps. Now, if that still will work, if you are running it from Steam, okay, let's say you have installed it on Steam or even Epic Games. Well, all you got to do is just verify the game files. That is how you fix Rockstar Games Launcher if it's not opening or working. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.